A very good morning, class 10. As already people have studied about the different kinds of industries, that is, the agro based industries, then mineral based industries. So, by now, you all know that industries they contribute a lot towards the economic growth and development of a country. But at the same time, children, we cannot ignore that it is all because of these industries that there is lot of pollution which is resulting into the degradation of our environment. And the different kinds of pollution which have been created by these industries are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, and of course, among the polluting industries, we need to include the thermal power plants also. So, let me discuss each kind of a pollution one by one. So, if we begin with the first one, that is the air pollution. So, children, you all are familiar that how dangerous the air pollution can be. This air pollution is actually caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, and a kind of a smoke which is being actually emitted by chemical industry, paper factories, brick kilns, refineries, smelting plants, then burning of fossil fuels, and a number of small factories. They all ignored the pollution norms. And I think you might be aware of the Bhopal gas tragedy, which actually occurred in Bhopal and took number of the lives. So children, this air pollution actually adversely affects the human health, animals, plants, building, and the atmosphere as a whole. Now, if we talk about the second kind of a pollution, let's say a water pollution. Again, a very, let's say, a dangerous kind of a pollution. The reason is because it has been caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents which are actually discharged into the rivers. And you know that we consume water in our day-to-day life. And that water is polluted by these industries, and the major industries in polluting the water are paper industry, pulp industry, chemical, textile, dyeing, petroleum refineries, tanneries, then electroplating industries, detergents, acids, heavy metals like lead, mercury, pesticides, fertilizers, synthetic chemicals with carbon, plastics, and rubber, and so on. They all discharge their waste into the water bodies. Now, when they discharge their waste into the water bodies, they are not only harming the human life but at the same time even the animal lives. Then, if we talk about the next one, let's say a thermal pollution. Now, this thermal pollution, children, is a kind of a pollution where these industries they discharge the hot water from factories and thermal plants, and actually they drain that water into the rivers and ponds before cooling. And imagine what effect it would have on the life of the aquatic animals. That is, all this waste from nuclear power plants, nuclear weapon production, all has been released in the water. And these waste they causes cancer, birth defects, miscarriages. And not only this, when such kind of a waste is dumped into the land, then dumping of waste, especially the glass or harmful chemicals, industry effluents, salt, garbage, they all make the soil useless, degrade the soil. And on top of it, if rainwater percolates to the soil which is carrying the pollutants of the ground to the ground that is under the ground, then children, the groundwater, it also gets contaminated. So you can't even imagine how bad, how worse it could be if such waste is not treated properly before it is been discharged into the rivers or ponds. Then we have a noise pollution. You all are familiar with the noise pollution, and again, how worse it could be. This noise pollution actually, children, not only irritates the person or makes the person angry, but sometimes it can also cause hearing impairment. It can increase the heart rate, blood pressure of the person, and of course some other psychological effects. So children, sometimes this unwanted sounds irritates the person to a larger extent that it results into a source of stress. Specifically, like you will find industrial and construction activities, machineries, factory equipments, generators, saws, pneumatic, electric drills, they all make a lot of noise, which could actually make a person to be sick. So it is very necessary that the industries, before they discharge or before they release the smoke or before they use their machineries for the purpose of production, they all have to be treated in such a way that they do not cause any kind of a pollution, and our environment could be a pollution free environment.